Niko bono heroberetie guikirania emeroberio ao hase umwaka oyiga ayankorengana n'Omonogeri Bw'Eserekari Isaac Mwaura hase abekire tene nigatia magendraria serikali erachi guikirania ngamo nechi agenda 10 echo chiabegitwe eseino murai bwense William Ruto na boigo nyagusira Raila Odinga enkwani tangania serikali hase umwaka oyiga Mwaura niko bono atebire serikali nigo yakorire umwaka bose nigo yaorokirie umukia omonene kwenekia uchumi yense ngokinere aniko bono herachi kubeka amaganyo y'omwananchi bosio na kwenekia ensengo kinere na kwegenderia se ebirengo bigoro muri kitori net nyambane namake
Omonogeri Bw'Eserekari enene imeyense Isaac Mwaura ubwatokire Oroboti Rw'Eserekari ry'omwaka oyiga bwechiri bubere 25 noyomo ukwana nabariki bamangana maya kurwa ase chiabisi chiae asamagacho ya Rambe Annex imeyomocho Nairobi. Mwaura nigo akwanire emeroberio serikali egochigwikirania igati yabo Oroboti rwanadiko orurore egati echi agenda 10 echi chiabegetwe sei egati ya William Ruto na nyagusira Raila Odinga asebono amochire bari bakomochie serikali asogutaikirania Oroboti oru.
So we are saying that the whole issue of the NADCO report is critical to us, and those people who are saying that we are not keen on ensuring that we implement the NADCO report, I think they are misguided. The government is extremely committed to the NADCO report, and that is why we have actually come up with various means to implement it. The 5-member committee is already on course. We had a very good meeting and a very good briefing with all of the PSs last week on Wednesday. And we have taken 3 main ways of implementing the NADCO report. Number 1 is that we have developed templates for each of the 54 state departments on their mandate. That is extremely important.
Mwaura nigo boiga tebire serikali yachakirie emiswada eyuera ase bunge eyuera chigokonya gwikirania chi agenda echo.
Number 2, we have also taken the legislative angle whereby 16 bills are already at various stages in Parliament, both the National Assembly and the Senate, to ensure to this broad-based government that we are actually very serious in terms of implementing what we have agreed. And the third route is a constitutional amendment and the referendum question, because we will end up having a referendum based on 2 of the 10 points agenda. 8 can be done administratively, but 2 require referendum. And therefore, we need to be guided by Chapter 16, Article 255, 56, and 57 of the Constitution of Kenya, because it affects the structure of the executive and also even how Parliament functions.
Arenayo nigo Mwaura tebiribuna abakori emeremo imeyense nigo baguche konyora omweso ase bari bakonyora engeria inse chiringi chiribu 30 tibari gochia konachwa ebango.
As you are aware, the government has made a decision that anyone who earns 30,000 shillings and below will have tax-free pay as you earn. This is a very great development, and even the next tier of pay as you payees, they will actually be only paying only 25%. That is extremely important because 1.5 million Kenyans are going to benefit, and I want to demonstrate to you as a government spokesman. Some people are saying, "Oh no, we need to reduce." It has to be measured. And these deductions, is there as a result for it? Yes. If you look at the housing levy, now we have buildings everywhere across the country.
Chingakie checho nigo boigo agikerie bikore bya bantu gusaganwa ase chikanisa asatebire kubwetekana no gusaganwa kwa Rigathi Gachagua ase kanisa ensemo ya udaya matuka makaetire nigo obotukibogenderete.
And strongly commends such actions because it is not right to desecrate holy places, and that should not and cannot be tolerated. However, as it has been stated by the minister concerned, let's wait for investigations to go on. Those of you who have done criminal law, you understand very well. You cannot just have shoddy investigations and then it may lead to the cases collapsing. So let's give opportunity to the investigating agencies to finish their work.
Korpoteria en Soko TV kurwa ase omocho Nairobi erietariane Linet Nyambane.